In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Draftback Chrome extension in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to review the history of your writing process, Draftback is a great tool that lets you replay your document as it was originally written. Let's go through the setup and how it works, step by step. To start, make sure you open your Google Drive. You can do this by heading to drive.google.com or simply accessing it through your browser. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Customize and Control menu. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, select Extensions. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your Chrome extensions. Inside the Extensions tab, you'll need to find the link that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Web Store, where you can browse for various Chrome extensions. In the search bar of the web store, type in Draftback. After you've done that, find Draftback in the search results and click on it. You'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button and a small confirmation window will pop up. Simply click Add Extension and voila, the installation is complete. It's a pretty quick process, usually taking just a few seconds. To keep things efficient, I've already installed Draftback for this tutorial so that we don't dwell too long on the installation process. Once Draftback is installed, it's ready to go. Open any Google Doc that you're interested in analyzing. At the top of the document page, you'll notice a new Draftback button. Go ahead and click on this button. The first time you use it, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Just follow the prompt and grant the necessary permissions. After you've connected your account, click the Draftback button again. This time select View. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to watch a playback of your document being written step by step. It offers a fascinating glimpse into how your document evolved over time. And that's it. You've successfully used the Draftback Chrome extension in Google Docs. It really is an excellent tool for reviewing the writing process, whether it's for personal reflection or collaborative group projects. Thanks so much for watching, and as you get more comfortable with it, I encourage you to explore Draftback further. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.